I'm about to start putting this together. It's cracked. You see that crack there? That piece is missing there. Crack there. There. You see here. It's cracked. There. It's just the before. Clean it off. Get all this off. I got a little brush. I'm gonna clean all this off before I fiberglass it. I'm gonna fiberglass it on both ends. You can see here. I'm gonna find all the cracks, and I'm gonna probably just strengthen it on these corners, and just put some there just to have some strength. You can see that piece missing over there. Put all that together, show y'all the end results. Okay, got it all cleaned up. You can see I got my wife's Saint flip-flop right there to try to get some of that strong adhesive off. But you can see that pile of dust over there. That's from one side. The other side, I brushed it off. I just want you to see what it looked like. But I'm gonna work on this side a little bit longer. Hopefully some of this heat, it's like 80 degrees now. Some of this heat, try to warm that glue up. And the friction, I saw a video, the friction off of that shoe. Thank God my wife didn't throw that shoe away, and I knew where they were. I'm gonna heat that. When you can see what happens when you heat it up with that rubber shoe, what it does right there. You can see it turns white. It rub it off so good that it gets past that little brown coating there, and it gets to bare white. But I'm gonna work on that a little longer, get much as I can get off. This the back part of it, so get much as I can get off and go get my fiberglass and start cutting me some strips and lay out so I can figure out how many pieces I'm gonna need and how much I'm gonna need to mix up. Be back. Thanks to the wire brush, I got it much as I can. Go start getting my fiberglass and bring it over here so I can see how I'm gonna repair it from this side, and I'm gonna wait till it dry and flip it over and repair it on the other side. Yes, guys, so I got it taped up. I taped the front. I was taping the back of it by being split and being heavy. It didn't want to line up, so I put it on the front on the parts that was hard, and I'm gonna flip it over and tape it up on the back. You can see that one, that goes all the way over there, so it was definitely hard because I didn't want it to come on down. It stops there, and I didn't want it to come down. So some of those places was hard. So about to start mixing this up. And for some guys that when you go out with your wife or your significant other, these to-go plates and bowls that they give, I do not throw those away. For two reasons. For this, and if somebody want to take a dish home or something like that, or they can keep those. But I don't know how many times I've used these little things. I'd rather use these than to use something my wife values. And I don't want to tell my wife that I use those, because I do not lie to my wife. And I record these videos, so when she go back and look and say, oh, there go my bowl or my utensil, I don't want to be that. I don't want to be in trouble. So I'm about to start mixing this up, put my gloves on, flip this over and tape it up first, mix it up, and start cutting my fiberglass. So I can get it done. So I'm gonna cut whatever I cut for this. I'm gonna cut two pieces that make it easier on me to go and get it out the way. So when it start drying up, I can go ahead and flip it over and start doing the other side, because this stuff dries quick. So I'm gonna try to put enough just to try to do that. If I overdo it, I can always flip it over because it dries quick. So here we go. It's done. It's finished. Fiberglass cracks in the corners. Just cut out the little slots for my hose. The little access pieces, I'm not worried about that. That headliner will catch that. But it's repaired front and back. Like I said, those little pieces right there, like that, I'm not worried about. But yep, it's done and completed. Stay tuned.